welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn the instance variable and class variable. So जैसा कि आपने देखा कि एनिमेशन में कि हम प्रोग्राम के डेटा को हम क्लास में कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं। यहाँ दो मेथड है जो कि इंस्टेंट वेरिएबल और क्लास वेरिएबल है, तो उसको हम यूज़ करके देखते हैं. So we have to first of all click on jcreator, that is IDE of Java, and we have to click new file, and then after that select the file name which should be main class of Java. So here I will put here that is where data as class name, and then after that click browse button to select location where you want to save it. As usual, Java program, and click it finish. And I will put the comment here, program for instance and a class variable. And now my class will start, that is class A, and here public class, that is where data, and here main part, so comment main section, that is main function, public static void main string arg, and here will curly bracket start. Now we have to just check it whether this program is compiling properly or not. So we have to just click on run button, compile button, and compile press is done. So now I'm going to create a class variable. Suppose that a class variable is a string. So here string str equals to simply hello Java. Okay, and then after that I will terminate it, and we will create the object of the such class. By a obj1 equals to new a. Now we have to just compile it. And now process done. So now I'm going to just call this particular string my string equals to, that is obj1 dot str, and now I'm going to print system dot out dot println simple the particular my string, and compile it, and now run it. Now you can see, okay, sorry, main should be public static void main string args, that should be like that. And now compile it, and now run it. Now you can see hello Java. जैसा कि आपने अभी देखा कि मैंने एक इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल बनाया है str, जो कि जिसका ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने दूसरी क्लास में मेन क्लास में बनाया, और इस मेन क्लास में इस वेरिएबल को असाइन कर दिया माई स्ट्रिंग के अंदर, इस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू को असाइन कर चुका हूँ, और जब मैं प्रिंट करूँगा तो हेलो जावा आएगा. इसी का एग्जांपल हम किसी इंटीजर में लें. अगर इंटीजर i इक्वल्स टू अगर 0 रखते हैं, और यहाँ पर हमने दो ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं खासकर, जैसे कि a obj2 इक्वल्स टू न्यू a. ओके, सो यहाँ पर हमारे पास कितने ऑब्जेक्ट हैं? दो ऑब्जेक्ट हैं. तो इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल के अकॉर्डिंग जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं उनके इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल इंडिविजुअल होते हैं, उसमें कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता किसी दूसरे पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल का. तो obj1 डॉट एक्स इक्वल्स टू 100 रखते हैं, एंड देन obj2 डॉट एक्स इक्वल्स टू 200 रखते हैं. Okay, now we have to just print what will come if we will print the x of object1, println here simple obj1 dot x, so it should print definitely 100. So now we have to compile it. Okay, so here is variable x is unknown, so I will put here I, because variable here is x, not I. So here is I, compile it, and now you can see everything's okay. Now it will print 100 only. So same way, if I'll print system.out.println object2 dot of I, so now you can see, compile system, it will be system, now compile it and run it. Now you can see 100 and 200, because the value of object1 is 100 and the object2 will refer the 200. In such case, if I'll make the modification in I variable with the help of object1, here I will put 1000. So now let's see what will print object2 of I. Compile it, and now sorry, again I add habitual I, so compile it and then run it. Now you can see there is no effect in 200, I mean to say object of 2. This is an example of instance variable. Okay, now we are going to create which variable? Class variable. So we will create a class variable. So first of all, I will make the comment, all of them, and now I'm going to create instance class variable, that is static. Okay, static is a keyword which help us to create the class variable. Static int here should be x. Okay, and now 0. So now you can see, if I will print or check object1 dot x equals to suppose that 1000, and now here I'm going to print object of this one x. Okay, so now we will check what will come. So here you can see I have initiated x by object1 1000 value. It will definitely print 1000, but what about this? I'm going to say object of 2 dot x. Okay, so now we can compile it, and now let's see what will happen. So here in this case you can see the first line will automatically, I mean to say it will definitely will print the 1000, because I have made the changes in x by value 1000. Okay, by object 1, but in this case it should print 0. Okay, due to the static keyword, this particular x variable is known as class variable, and class variable is share the value to all the object, okay, of the same class. So same way, if I'll put here, suppose that obj2 dot x equals to 9000. Okay, so now see what will happen. Compile it and now run it. Now 9000 both. That means static variable is also known as class variable. We share the value allowing its address to all object of its class. Okay, so by this we can understand we can store the value by instance variable like int I, string str, okay, and a class variable along with static. So without static keyword we can't make the class variable. So thank you and have a nice day for the day.